So I just want to just give kind of a different platform for the newcomers. So passion is fashion, and we always think as a parent or as a mother, entrepreneur or business, we just think engineer, doctor, so many things. So being a lecturer, I just thought I wanted to be a fashion designer actually. I couldn't do that, so I just gave my daughter this chance. In the fashion industry, there's not only the dress, walking models, we have so many creative things like embroidery, handicrafts, the textile thing, and also the outcome, the outfit, the creative things, and lots more. And because clothing gives a more appearance matters here, the attitude, because the way you dress, the way you walk, the way you think, everything matters. So fashion is not about the dressing or makeup or anything. It's about how you carry it, how you enjoy it, how you love it, and you should feel that you're the great. That is the thing. You are you. No one can be you. That is only I want to prove here. Because each of you are unique, and each of my ladies, God's creation is something magnifying and beautifying. I would certainly, mother who should be like a sister, friend. First of all, I am the same, and they should understand the bonding, what the child likes, and they should know their caliber, what is her skills, because each one is different in their unique style. We should not always stress up with you become doctor, we should give them the chance, opportunity to come out with their dreams. When we curate a platform for them, we have to sit and discuss with them. We should observe their qualities, what they like, what they dislike. Based on that, you get an gist and you can go ahead with that, because we should not force them to anything what they require. We should create them to what they wanted to be. That is the only thing mother can do. None others can do in life actually, because mother knows from the day of the birth, still now she would be seeing what her daughter is.
Yeah, hi. This was very awesome. Actually, today many designers are walking up. They are showcasing their designs. Even as a designer, I'm also showcasing here. So I did a western and a lehenga and sherwani round, and other people are doing like a classic and also. I would like to congratulations Samita Reddy for organizing the show, and she called me as a designer here.
I'm a housewife, I'm 41 years old, but fashion is for everyone. I was a model when I was a teen, but after marriage I had my own responsibilities. I've given space to my life. I dedicated 21 years to my family. And now that my children have grown up, I have started following my passion again. I'm a model since 6 months. I've done few short movies, few ads. I'm also a fitness freak. I take care of myself. I balance my kids, my family, my work.